Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Lab Life with Revati. Today we are discuss about biostimulant in agriculture. First of all, we have to know what is biostimulant, why occurring in agriculture. Bio, Biostimulants are defined anything on substance or microorganisms that when applied to plants, seeds or soils, enhancing natural physiological process to promote plant growth and development, which is known as biostimulant in agriculture. Then should we know biostimulants how to involve in agriculture process. Unlike conventional fertilizer, there is not directly supply the nutrients. Instead, they improve plant uptake, nutrient use efficiency, and plants resilience to abiotic stresses such as drought, salinity, and temperature extremes. Based on biostimulants is involving this process. Representative category of biostimulants is involving seaweed extracts, humic and fulvic substance, amino acids, and beneficial microorganisms. For example, biostimulant in agriculture, familiar one is PGPR, which is plant growth promoting rhizosphere, and common beneficial fungi is mycorrhizal fungi. Next, their mode of action is primarily associated with the modulation of metabolic pathway and enhancement of enzymatic activities and regulation of stress response mechanism, thereby contribute to sustainable crop productions. Now, how is working biostimulants are agent? Previously I said, biostimulants are substance or microorganisms which is not directly involving nutrition to plant or agriculture that influence plant physiological through the modulation of natural biological process, thereby improving growth and productivity is without directly supplying nutrients. Next, here listed which are primary mechanisms of actions involved. First, stimulation of natural process and improvement of nutrient utilization and enhancement of stress tolerant and promotion of plant growth and development. Next, what's the process are involving here? We have to know about primary mechanisms of actions. First of all, stimulation of natural process, which means activation of intrinsic plant biological pathway to enhance metabolic efficiency. Second, improvement of nutrient utilizations, facilitation of nutrient absorption, mobilization, and assimilation of thereby increasing nutrient use efficiency, which means that absorption and mobilization and assimilation which nutrients not involving directly but using the substance or microorganisms to uptaking the plant. Third, enhancement of stress tolerant, augmentation of plant resilience to abiotic stresses such as heat, drought, and salinity through regulation of defense response and stress related metabolities, which means biostimulants regulate the heat, drought, and salinity of natural reactions. Fourth, promotion of plant growth and development, stimulation of root architecture and expansion of leaf area and improvement of reproductive trait such as flowering and fruit set and overall enhancement of yield and crop quality, which is involving here PGPR actions. Next, we know what are all the characteristics involving. Biostimulants are distinct from conventional inputs such as fertilizer, which directly provide nutrients, and pesticides, which act against pests and pathogens. Instead, biostimulants exert their influence by modulation of physiological and biological process which in the plants and followed by which are all the classes here involving. CAVT extract, which is rich in bioactive compound that promote plant metabolisms and soil health. Next, humic and fulvic acid, organic constant derived from decomposed plant materials and improve soil structure and nutrient availability. Amino acid, which is fundamental metabolic pressure that contribute to protein synthesis and stress mitigation and growth promotion. Next, which are all the beneficial microorganisms occurring in agriculture? In soil, basically symbiotic bacteria and fungi giving more benefits like rhizobia bacteria and mycorrhizae that enhance nutrient cycling and plant defense mechanisms. Next, plant derived extract, which is concentrated phytochemical that exert regulatory effects on plant physiological pathways. Followed by which is about biostimulant in agricultures. What are all the benefit occur here? And for example, what PGPR and mycorrhizal fungi, and what are all the characteristics occurring, and which primary mechanisms of actions included here, and how to working in biostimulants in plant common agricultures. Thank you for your cooperation, guys. If you have any clarification and extra notes for this biostimulants in agriculture system, let me know in comment sections. Thank you.